now I'm going to show you wild raspberries. I forget this word in English, just give me a second. There is pretty young, but it is tasty. 3, 2, 1. Thank you and goodbye. Hello everyone, I came back to my home again, right? And look, we continue on track and observe how to grow up all of my plants, and now I'm in the garden, in my huge garden. There is potatoes, after July, June, yeah, about 2 months, and I guess 1 or 2 weeks. There is a lot of potatoes, right? And I guess in half month we will be able to excavate some of them and eat. They will be a little bit young, but pretty enough to eat. And I'm going to show interesting things, right? Just give me a second. Yeah, there is young potatoes, right? And we cover it, right? And yeah, now I'm going to show you red currant, right? There is some branch of them, and I guess it is pretty ready to eat, right? Yummy. It is a little bit sour, but it is good. Okay, now I'm going to show you wild raspberries, and there is just give me a second, I will show you. Yeah, there is. A little bit later I will show you there's some domestic raspberry, and I'll explain a little bit later. Now I'm in the close to the branch of raspberry, domestic raspberry, right? And now I'm going to show you distinguish between a wild raspberry and domestic raspberry. Yeah, I guess this one, I guess you can see here, and look at my palm, right? I guess you can see the distinguish between, right? Domestic, this one, and there is a little bit big size, and yeah, and I'm tasting. Yummy. The wild raspberry is much better. This is like a condensed sugar because of their lack of water. Because domestic raspberry we pour with a lot of water, and yeah, and like wild we just I've planted, I guess 10 years ago, just some of the branches there. And now this is a huge territory they are occupied, and yeah. Okay, I'm in the greenhouse, and there is a lot of tomatoes, right? And I'm going to show you some tomatoes here, right? And here, they are just only green, and I guess in half month they are turns into the red red color. Okay, let's see the other berries. Okay, cherry. I guess you see, right? I just turn into the camera here, here. Um, Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of harvest of cherry. I don't know why, but I know in this year, I guess our how to say, you know, I know in the French this word was on. I forget this word in English. Just give me a second. I can't remember. Yeah, neighbors, right? Yeah, I don't have a lot of practice of English. That's why I just I tend to forget some words. Okay, let's check other plants. Okay, now I'm in the some um, place with beads. Here are the beads, right? And now I'm put some picture here. This the root of this plant, and yeah, I guess if you are from Russia or like this kind of countries, former USSR countries, there's some some meal borscht, right? This is a main plants of this meal. Okay, let's go further. And this is I guess beans, right? There is beans, and just give me a second. Oh yeah, here. And this is just young, right? But I guess in 1 week it will turn into the good solid of of beans, right? And here another place of I forget this kind of berries. Just give me a second. I will show you here. Yeah, there is. I have eaten it. I guess in a couple minutes ago. And now I'm going to do it again. Okay. Okay, we continue and observe our plants, and the next guest in our video, it will be Karen. There he is. Just give me a second, I will show you. Yeah, here, 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 with a lot of currants. And this one, just give me a second. And here the same branch. I guess bush, right? Bush. Yummy. It is a little bit sour, like in the middle of the sour and like with sugar, right? And next berry in our video will be strawberry, right? Domestic strawberry. This one. This is a yummy. I wish I could live in the village, but unfortunately, we don't have the good job here, and yeah, if I have opportunity to live live in this place, I definitely will live in the village or just private, like a private area with my own garden, in order to spend a lot of time with mm, with plants, with to be close to the nature, right? Okay, what about cucumbers? There is two patch. I guess you remember. I guess a little bit more than 2 months I've created these two big patch, right? And now there are a lot of cucumbers, and just there is a pretty young, but it is tasty. Very good. There is branch of cherry, and here this is a cabbage. This is a cabbage, and I've created video about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and some of them started to roll. I guess you see, right? And I guess in 1 month they will turn into the huge and good, like a usual usual shape of cabbage. There is current, with a lot of current. Yeah, I guess you see. And yeah, and there is carrot. Now I'm gonna do pick some. Just 3, 2, 1. There is carrot, right? And it is looks like in this kind of version. Yeah, in the root it is, and we eat the root, right? Yeah. What about there is some garlic, and here there's some onion, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I have shown you all of my garden in order to you have opportunity to observe all of my plants, and from when I plant them and how they grow, and about, I guess, in 1 month, right? In 1 month and a half, I will excavate all of these plants. I hope I will have opportunity to came back here and do it, because this is a unique opportunity to have to plan and to observe all of your works, right? Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave the some comment below. Okay, thank you and goodbye.